Hey everybody, thanks for having me. I'm Meta World Peace. I used to be called something else, I forgot. I don't know that guy, but I know the weather's here. And right now it looks like it's 16 degrees in Columbus. And it looks like a cool place to ride some dirt bikes, so hopefully I can get over there one day. And OCOC is 18 degrees in OCOC. That sounds like a cool place. I can't really see what's going on, but I'm assuming there's people there. Prince George is up there. What's up, Prince? How you doing? And Bella is 18 degrees over here, so, you know, put your hat on and it's a little cold, so yeah, let's move on. There's a line up here, I don't know what that means, but the earth is moving right now. And in Port Hardy, 13 degrees, pretty cold, I'm assuming. And it's raining everywhere. It's amazing. It's raining everywhere too. Victoria, she sounds like she's hot, but she's actually cold, it's 14 degrees. There's snow up there, but I don't know those names, so we don't have to worry about those places. And it's water over here. So we're in Earth, Vancouver. I'm happy to be here. I'm assuming there's cougars and bears up here too, so watch out, don't go over there. Stay away from there. And to get from this island to this island, take a boat, I'm assuming. CTV, baby.
Just to clarify, Kaloops would be Kamloops, and OCOC is a Soyuz. Other than that, I think Meta World Peace did a great job. Unlike when a younger, more disheveled Jay Onrait did the weather on CTV 6 years ago. Didn't go well.
What's all this green? What the hell is going on here? We're being attacked. It's all over Winnipeg. It's all over Winnipeg. Winnipeg, get out! Get out, Winnipeg!
Top 10 athletes in the media moments.